In this video, I'll show you how you can fix an Unreal process has crashed in Steam games. Now what you want to do is, the first thing you want to do is come here to your desktop, right click and go to display settings. In here you want to make sure you're on 100% and then you want to make sure this one is on the recommended. After that you can just close it down and then you want to come here and search for device manager. Open it up and find your display adapters. Right click and update the driver and then search automatically and make sure you have the best driver. After that you want to download the software to your GPU, so just Google your name right here and then type software and you should get the software. For me it's the NVIDIA one, so I'll just open up this one, and in here what you want to do is you want to make sure that you download the latest driver. So check for updates and download the latest one. Once you've done that, you should head over to Steam. So let me just open Steam, library, then find the game that you're having trouble with. So in this case, let's just say it's Terraria. Go to properties, right click on it, properties. Then what you want to do is head over to installed files, click verify integrity of game files, and then wait for it to be done. Then you want to try and launch the game and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, click on browse, find the .exe file, right click, properties, compatibility, and activate these two. Press apply and OK, and then try and launch the game now. If for some reason it's still not launching, you can go to general, DX11, then close it down, try and launch the game, and if it's still not working, type -DX12, then close it down and try and open again. And if for some reason it's still not working, just delete everything in the launch options, close it down, and then restart your PC. After this, it should hopefully work. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.